All right, welcome to Diamond FX Group. So today we're still looking at the volatility system, and we'd like to use the volatility 75 1S index 15 minutes chart, because on this chart we are going to have low spread on these assets. It's a low spread asset, so meaning that you cannot blow your account with this one. You just need to be careful with your entries, and once your entries are right, you go into profits. So the major setup are the price action and the moving average. So we have a long-term moving average in red, we have the medium in purple, and the fast moving average in yellow or gold color. So whenever the price is below the yellow, that is our first clue. Then it also stays below the purple, and also once it's below the red, it means that we are in for a downtrend. So whenever the price is below these moving averages, it turns to red. So it's not rocket science, guys. You just need to see the candlesticks. And also, we also have our levels down here. All right, on these levels, we can see that everything here is red. In this precision meter, it's red, and price was coming from a resistance level. So how do we know? The resistance level is here on the stochastics. You can see that the oscillators was all in the topmost area. So we need to wait for the price action, first of all, to be in the proper entry. And the green arrows are the powerful ones, because once they come out, they are telling you that the trend is now ready to be traded. All right, so it's not rocket science, guys. It's quite easy to follow. You just follow these arrows and be in profit. So where are we going to look at other entries? So knowing that the market is below this red moving average, which is the long term, the price came back another day to test that point. So for the market not to break that point, right, it means that the price is still in a downtrend. Are you getting me, guys? So over here was a continuation of the downtrend. And notice that as soon as the price was crossing below the moving averages, again, we got a red color in our candlesticks, and the price was going down. So these things do repeat itself. It's just once you get the understanding of the strategy, you can keep doing this every single day. So yesterday, maybe you were selling. The other day, you'll still be selling because the price is still below the moving averages, and all you were getting was the bearish engulfing pattern, and the price came below the move. So this is a very cool entry. So if you look down here also, we can see the meters are red. So this is a confluence of all your entries, and you can take an entry here and go straight to profits. So let's keep looking. So if you notice, the market keeps going down every single day until we got to this point where we had a W formation. So you notice this W formation, then what happens? We get a bullish engulfing pattern and a bullish cross. So notice that the price is now above the purple. All right, so that is a clue that this might be going up. Then they did what? They broke the red. So this is a confirmation that this point is a bullish buy. And notice that the green arrow was right here for the bullish cross. So this was your buying point. So if you bought over here at the close of the day, the market went straight up within few hours. So this was yesterday's move. All right, guys. So the Software kinds of advise you on the best entry. You don't really need to do too much. Once your setup is right, you are going to keep making the same entries here and there. So notice that now the price is now at the resistance area. Okay, I have an automatic Fibonacci tool here, which helps me to calculate where the price could come back and retrace. So we're looking at the 61.8 and 50% levels for retracement levels. So whenever the price comes back into this zone, there could be a buy push. And notice that our long-term moving average is right there also to form a support. So once it's tested, all right, the market might decide to pull back and probably come down. Okay, probably maintain a downtrend, because right here what we see is an M formation coming up right there. So make sure that your setup is quite looking the same. That way you'll be able to understand the action of this market. So yesterday I had some of you who had purchased the software, and we've been trying to educate ourselves. So today is a continuation of the education, and tomorrow will also be another one. So, we can take enough time to study before we start to take trades. All right. So for some of you who already have the software, I'll be giving you these tools in addition. So I'm going to add you the Fibonacci tool, and I'm going to send you the breakout tool. So those tools are quite important when you are checking on your entry. So many times I like to use the 15 and 5 minutes. So what I do, I don't trade on too many of the assets of the volatility. So I try to focus more on just two of them, which is the 75-1S, and I like the volatility 10. Volatility 10. So let me put that up here now. So this is the 10. Okay, this is the volatility 10. So these two for me are kind of a low asset, low spread. So I can easily take entries here and go to bed and set my take profit levels quite easily. So, all right. So usually what I do once it's about midnight, okay, once it's about midnight, you're going to see one entry that would probably continue the next day. And sometimes what happens is that the market will try to make a retracement, stay in a range before breaking out. So with these tools, you'll be able to get the actual entry. So I think I'm going to add for you this and this CCI. I don't know if you guys will be close. Sometimes it's also okay. All this point was in the bearish mode. So if you look at the main chart, we started getting bearish signals. So we got a bearish engulfing, we got a bearish cross, we got the bearish cross over there, and the market kept on going down. So notice that the trend line was also going down. So this is like the price guide. So once the price is now at the lowest level on your stochastics, you don't take sell trades anymore. You don't take sell trades anymore. All right. Your sell trades was coming from the upper stochastic level, which is the overbought level, which they created over here. All right. So once that was done, they broke out of the range, went back to the moving averages, and look at how the price was following the moving averages all the way down. So it's very cool and clear to use this tool. It's very, very easy to use. All you need to do is to be patient and choose the right asset class. So I like the V10. All right, V10, the minimum lot size is 0.30. which is quite okay for any account. Even with $20, you can start with a V10. All right, and also the V75 1S, the V75 1S, because these ones have low spread. We're trying to trade on the V75 itself. You can also do that, but I always like on for this one because I don't want to get caught up in the wrong move. So you'll find me doing 1 minute on the V75, 1 minute on the V75. So why did I choose 1 minute? The reason why I'm choosing 1 minute for the V75 is that I want to see the entries early, and I can also do 5 minutes charts on this one. So if you look over here on the V75, all right, this is the V75, which is the highest spread, 16,000 spread. So you will notice that the markets gave us a bullish cross. Then the price rallied up above the moving averages. But notice that the market always makes a pullback. So you should always take note that once this pullback is done, we have our here, which is meant to show us a sell trend. So once that sell trend is broken, it is breaking out to the upside, which is a bullish trend. Then your count green, all right, and your gold line is your guide. Your gold line, this gold line is a bit that actually supports the price in the nearest term. So 5 minutes chart on the V75 with proper knowledge, because you don't want to buy here and hold the trade because it could go against all your entry, right? So if you waited for the pullback and the continuation, this was the best time. So most times in the W formation, the safest entry is right here. You're going to right up. It's the safest entry. If we're buying, you get pushed back over there, but want to be in your account. This point is going to be in your account. So once you're done over there, stochastic is back at the top. So at this